Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to change your engine air filter in a 2002 Dodge Dakota. Now this is an SXT two-wheel drive and this has the V6. So this will be the same process for several other vehicles, including the Durango. And the air filter sits inside here. This is the replacement I'm gonna use from MicroGuard. Just picked this up at my local O'Reilly. And it's really easy to do. You don't even need any tools. There's just these 3 clips on this side and 1 in the back. All we need to do is just undo these little metal clips. And you can see these little plastic tabs that go into the side here. All we need to do is just lift this and slide those out. And then we'll have access to the old air filter. And we just pull this one out. And you can see it's pretty dirty. It's time to change. Now it's a good idea to vacuum out this air box because a lot of leaves and debris will sometimes get in there and you don't want that going into your brand new air filter. And then we can just grab the new air filter and just drop it in place. All right, and then we can just line up all these plastic tabs here. Just push those through like so. This should just sit flush, and then we can go back and reconnect or reattach these little clips. And you're done. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up one of these filters as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.